I think it just burned out.
Okay.
Oh, it was burned out. I tried it earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Floor 4. Going up.
Get down to the right. I spend $0 on it all day.
Same as makeup for
It's
it.
absolutely ridiculous.
Floor 5.
Take care.
Going up.
Check right there, phone location.
Oh yeah.
That's really stupid. The
I
level.
want to
of
go back
security.
down to 5 because that was a phone book. Sorry.
No, you have to scan your card. Remember?
I'll take the stairs.
That's actually stupid how secure this place is. Like, it's a fucking hotel.
Oh my God, look, they used to have call lockout on the upper floors. That's so stupid.
My friend's going down to 5. He's curious as to what that filming stuff is about.
Basement.
Whoa.
Going up.
Crazy. We'll go up once more. Anyway, actually, I'm going to end the video down here. Because they're all locked. That's it.